Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101. We're making some upgrades to this 2016 Ram 2500 for some off-road use. We installed a 3-inch suspension lift and added new wheels and tires. Next, we added bushwhacker pocket style fender flares, and today we're going to finish by installing a Lund bull bar with an integrated 20-inch LED light bar. The Lund bull bar will provide bumper and grille protection when the truck is off-road with improved visibility. It is available in black powder coat or polished stainless steel. I went with the textured black bull bar to go with the truck's black accents. Let's start the installation right now. Tools required to do the job: socket set, pliers or adjustable wrench, and safety glasses. Note, it's a good idea to wear the safety glasses for the entire installation, as loose debris and dirt on the underside of the vehicle can dislodge and fall in your eyes. It's important that you read all of the notes and follow the installation instructions. Remove all contents from the box and verify all parts are present. Install bolts and washers into each end of the LED light bar. Slide the bolts into the crossbeam brackets with the washers on the outside of the bracket and tighten using the supplied Allen key. If the truck is equipped with factory tow hooks, they need to be removed. Remove the 4 hex bolts holding the passenger side tow hook to the frame. Tip: removing the inner hex bolts securing each tow hook can be difficult to reach from behind the bumper. It might be easier to access the 2 hex bolts by going through the front of the bumper and holding the hex nuts in place with an open end wrench. Remove the tow hook. Repeat this step on the driver's side tow hook. Take the passenger side frame mounting bracket and bolt it to the 2 outer holes for the tow hook. Use the factory hardware or the included hardware. Snug the hardware but do not tighten it this time. Repeat this step for the driver's side frame mounting bracket installation. With help, position the bull bar up to the outside of the mounting brackets. Use the included hardware to attach the bull bar to the mounting brackets. Snug but do not tighten the hardware. Stand back and check to see that the bull bar is centered and level on the vehicle. Adjust as necessary and tighten all hardware. Now we can wire the LED light bar using the wiring harness that came with the bull bar. The first step is to disconnect the negative battery cable. Mount the relay to a secure location away from any hot or moving parts. Route the 30 amp fuse to the battery and secure the wire away from any hot or moving parts. Disconnect the universal power connector and route the switch through the firewall away from any hot or moving parts. Locate the switch inside the vehicle. The switch has 3M adhesive on the back. Make sure the mounting location is clean and dry prior to mounting the switch. Secure all loose wires and reconnect the universal power connector. Connect the main power lead to positive battery terminal. Connect the main ground lead to the negative battery terminal. Route the wire bundle to the light bar and connect the Deutsch connector to the light in the bull bar. Secure all loose wires. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test the light and switch power. The installation is pretty straightforward, and not only does the finished product look good, it's designed to work too. It has 3.5-inch steel tubing for increased strength, complete with a steel skid plate. The 20-inch LED light bar emits a 54-watt flood beam pattern 3000 lumens light, and the Lund bull bar is backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Order your Lund bull bar today and get started on upgrading your vehicle. Thanks for watching.